Welcome to video number 2 of our series, Tales of the Industry. Today is about Plato's Allegory of the Cave. So it's a famous story of a bunch of men that have been chained and their neck blocked since birth, in a way that they face only one single wall of the cave, and the only thing that they see from the outside world are the shades on the wall. So the perception is a very simplified view of the world, of a 2D thing with only one color. So we can only guess the surprise of this man who finally breaks free, walks out of the cave, and understands the real complexity of the world that he has been ignoring for so many years, since birth. So I'm not a philosopher, and I'm not going to find any deep, meaningful insights within this video. But let's just transpose that allegory to the industrial world. Let's do the allegory of the pipe, if you wish. In a large facility, let's take a chemical plant, and let's take a simple pipeline. Different teams from different disciplines will see the same pipeline very differently. A process engineer will see this pipeline as one single line in a diagram with a few attributes. A design engineer will see the same pipeline as a set of perfect cylinders and elbows in his 3D CAD model. A maintenance person would see the pipeline as a piece of steel that is slowly corroding and that may leak at some stage. And a safety engineer would typically see a pipeline usually as one single dot at the center of a safety zone. So all these people have a very specific view of the same reality based on their discipline and on their day-to-day job. Digital transformation of this industry is about providing all these people, all people interacting with the plant, with a more complete view of the asset, so they take better decisions, and still remaining able to provide the specificities of all their disciplines and day-to-day job. So to summarize, digital transformation is not about getting everyone out and in the field, but at least to get them out of their disciplinary cave. Does this sound familiar? Do you have any similar experience? Please share your own stories. I'd love to hear them. And I'll see you next week for our next video of Tales of the Industry.